Let all those who have been waiting for a cooking episode rejoice, because this is exactly that.
Well, today we're making our fish soup.
You haven't tried it? Seriously?
No. Subtitles made by Dima Torzak. You haven't tried it?
No, seriously no. Did I set you up? Judging by our last fishing video, you really liked it, so today we're going to do it again, but this time instead of frying trout, we'll make fish soup out of it. As is tradition in our fishing videos, Hasu will be helping us, a man who knows everything about catching trout in the mountains of Chechnya.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
In short, they woke me up, brought me here to the mountains and told me to catch trout. So today, we'll be catching trout, as usual.
We weren't very lucky with the weather. It was supposed to be sunny according to the forecast, but there's still fog, it's overcast, and you see the video looks a bit gloomy and grey. But I hope this won't get in our way.
Subtitles made by...
Subtitles.
We're going to fish today. We'll try fishing with this one. This lure is 40 millimeters, 2.6 grams. A new item.
From your store?
Yes, it's my baby. I made this lure, experimented with it, and tested it. Almost a year. I perfected it, and only now have I started producing it. Good job, Hasu.
So now I'll check my suit. What's it properly called? Waders. Is that the company or is this the clothing? Morphin, the company.
These are waders, and all the clothing is like this.
After the repair, as far as I knew, they leak. I think so, yeah. Yeah, both of them leak badly. So both of them basically need to be completely fixed.
Yeah.
To put on, I screwed you over, you repaired them badly.
Yeah.
Anyone who has been in the mountains knows exactly how cold it is, even in the summer and especially now.
We came to a typical spot where trout usually stay. There should be fish in this pool. Now we'll try to tempt one to bite. Let's go.
We don't need a lot of fish today, just about 5 or 6 to make fish soup. So I think we'll handle this task. Not like last time, right? When you had a record catch. How many did we get? About 30? Yeah, we caught 26. 26 fish, that was a lot. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be somewhere around here. Check it out, it's really interesting.
Wow, looks like today we'll have some fish soup. It even broke the line. That's a good size. Good size. Oh, yeah. Very...
How beautiful. Now maybe...
Clean it, take a look. Or maybe I shouldn't after all. That's it, there's not much time. I hope we'll catch some fish here too. Now we'll fish from below, right here in these spots, and then we'll try that hole under the rocks. There's no way there isn't any fish here. Got one, here it is. Oh, it's a good one. It's strong, really pulling. Yeah, oh, look at those jumps. Let's pull it out. Just like that. We need to grab it before it breaks the line. That's a good fish. And it's a good size. If only they all bit like this. This one spawned too. It's already fine.
This time we won't spend much time on the actual fishing process because we've already made an episode about it and nothing new happens there. If you're interested in seeing how trout is caught, go to Hasu's channel and you'll see how he caught our lunch on this trip. I caught a trout this big. Here's our catch for today, which we'll use to make fish soup. Since trout itself is not a fatty fish, I decided to add a little something extra. For the broth, the head from tengi salmon. Let's say a set for fish soup. This is the big fish that I caught. That's the one, only the head is left. Only barely anything is left. We'll start putting things into our pot, which is already boiling away. We'll also need some leek today. Cut off the roots. We'll put it in like that now. And regular onion as well.
Welcome to our channel.
So we also need to add carrots and we send the scene. Let's go. Is everything intact? Yes. Look what a beautiful clearing we're in today. There was some old structure here as well. It's still here. Show it. And there are a lot of fruit trees around here. Medlar is growing, apple, and a walnut tree right above my head. Viburnum, which you can use to make delicious tea. But today we'll have to go without tea, because I forgot to bring the samovar. What should we do with this trout? We'll use these heads as well. How should I put it for the first one, for the first boil? If only you knew, my friends, how hard it was for us to catch this trout today. What time did we get here? At 7 in the morning, right? Yeah, we walked around for a couple of hours. I had already kind of given up, honestly. It was also terribly cold. Because it was cloudy and that kind of weather just chills you to the bone. It's the worst kind. I gave up and left. I sat in the car until about 5 probably. I thought, that's it, I should go look for my friend. Something must have happened to him. It seemed like the episode was going to be cancelled. But Casus is our hero today, thanks to his willpower. Oh. Thanks to his willpower, today we'll try uka made from mountain trout today. By the way, have you ever tried something like this?
No, actually, have you? No.
Me neither. Don't forget to skim off the foam from our boiling broth. Okay, the heads are going in. Intense. Most of them. Well, while we were filming, our campfire went out. So while our broth is cooking, we'll prepare the vegetables that we're going to use today. By the way, I've never seen anyone add this celery to fish soup except for me. If you haven't tried it, you should know that this vegetable feels very much at home in this dish. Be sure to give it a try. Do you like celery? I don't know what that is. You haven't tried it? No? Really? Really? Continued. Congratulations. So how does it continue? Pepper. Huh? Like pepper? Pepper. Did you know that it's the only vegetable that takes more energy to digest than you get from it? Then why eat it? It's tasty and healthy. No, well, you have so much ahead of you, I envy you. You still have to try all of this for the first time. Can you imagine? Yeah. I wish I could be in your place and experience these flavors for the first time again. Oh, that's something, that's something. Well, it's okay, but it's tasty. Go ahead, try it. Ah. You can taste the celery, even though it's not there. Because the aftertaste remains, that's all. You can taste the celery, huh? Onion, it already gave off its flavor. I could taste the onion. To be continued. The potatoes are almost ready. And now we're adding the star of this dish. Just 5 more minutes and everything will be ready. Look at this. Verdict. I think we can handle this. We can handle it, we can handle it. Tasty or not tasty? Well, because it's tasty, we can handle it. Yes, yes. This is very unusual. Very tasty. It's my first time trying fish soup made from trout. Oh, this is something. Not bad. Wow! So that's the interesting fish soup we ended up with, friends, made from river trout. Naturally, I wasn't completely sure that we would pull this off. I've never made trout fish soup before. Hasu had never tried trout fish soup before. We were both curious to see the result. If you liked how it turned out, please give this video a like and leave any comments so that as many people as possible can see this episode. See you next time.